Let's learn Windows 11 and Office 365 with easy beginner first steps. Today I will build a clean and professional entry-level resume in Microsoft Word. This guide is for students, first-time workers, retail applicants, hospitality workers, or anyone with little to no job experience. I will walk you through every section step by step, and you can follow along with me using the Simple Bold Resume template. Begin by opening Word. On the home screen, select New. In the search box, type Resume. From the results, choose the Simple Bold Resume template so you can follow along with me exactly. It has a clean layout, clear headings, and no heavy graphics, which makes it ideal for entry-level resumes. Select Create. Before you type anything, save your file. Go to File, then Save As. Choose your folder and name your document using your name first, followed by Entry-Level Resume. For example, Taylor Morgan Entry-Level Resume. Saving early keeps your work organized and makes it easy to update later. At the top of the template, click into the large name field and type your full name. Keep it simple. Do not use middle initials or nicknames. Directly under your name, type the type of role you are aiming for. Examples include Customer Service Associate, Retail Team Member, Entry-Level Office Assistant, or Hospitality Crew Member. This helps employers understand the job target immediately. Below the job title is the professional summary. This replaces the old objective section. The summary should be 2 or 3 short sentences that explain who you are, what you are skilled at, and what you want to do next. Here is a simple example. Motivated and reliable entry-level worker with strong communication skills and hands-on experience from school projects and volunteer work. Fast learner who enjoys assisting customers and solving problems. Seeking an opportunity to contribute in a customer-focused role. Type the summary directly into the template. On the right side of the template, update the contact information. Replace the placeholders with your phone number, a professional email address, and a LinkedIn or portfolio link if you have one. If you do not have a LinkedIn profile, leave that line out. If your email address is outdated or unprofessional, create a new one before you apply. The last line is your city, your state, and your zip code. Below the professional summary is the experience section. The template includes 3 placeholder positions. Select the first position and replace the job title, the company name, and the dates of employment. If the applicant is still working in that role, replace the end date with the word present or current. Under the job details, replace the placeholder text with short statements that describe the work performed. Each statement should begin with an action word and should be clear and concise. Repeat this process for the second and third positions if the applicant has additional experience. If the applicant has fewer than 3 positions, remove the extra entries. If the applicant has never held a job, replace the entire experience section with relevant experience. This may include school projects, group assignments, volunteer work, clubs, sports, personal projects, or assisting family with childcare or errands. Format each entry the same way as a job. Type the name of the project or activity, the school or organization, the city and state, and the year. Under that, add short statements that describe the work performed. Examples include organized donations and assisted visitors during a community food drive, worked with a team to prepare food boxes, followed instructions and completed tasks on time, designed a simple website for a school project, collaborated with classmates to meet deadlines, presented the final project to teachers and students, supervised children after school, prepared snacks, assisted with homework, and maintained a safe and clean environment. Any responsible activity counts. The goal is to show the ability to follow directions, work with others, and complete tasks. Below the experience section is the education section. Replace the placeholder text with the degree or the degree the applicant is working on. On the next line, type the school name. On the final line, replace the dates with the correct time frame. If the applicant is still in school, type expected graduation followed by the year. Add 1 or 2 short points only if needed, such as relevant coursework, a GPA of 3.5 or higher, certifications, or any clubs or leadership roles. Keep this section brief. The last section in the template is the skills section. Replace the placeholder text with skills that match the type of job the applicant is seeking. Examples include customer service, communication, teamwork, time management, problem solving, cash handling, computer skills, Microsoft Office, scheduling, retail sales, food service, inventory, and data entry. Each skill should be short and clear. Do not write full sentences. Now clean up the formatting so everything looks sharp and professional. Select the entire document by pressing Ctrl and the letter A. Go to the Home tab and choose a clean, professional font such as Calibri, Arial, or Segoe UI. Do not change the font sizes for the headings or the name field. Only adjust the body text if needed. Set the body text to 11 or 12 points. Set the line spacing to 1.15. Set the paragraph spacing to 6 points before and 6 points after. This creates a clean and readable layout without wasting space. Scroll through the resume and make sure every heading matches. Each heading should use the same font, the same size, and the same bold style. If the template uses colored headings, keep them. If it uses bold, black text, keep that as well. The goal is consistency from top to bottom. Next, clean up the statements. The only section in this template that uses bullets is the skills section. If you choose to keep the bullets, use a simple round bullet. Each skill should be short and clear. Do not write full sentences. If a line wraps to a second line, that is fine. Just make sure it is aligned cleanly. If you see large gaps between sections, place your cursor at the end of the previous line and press backspace one time. Then press Enter one time to reset the spacing. Some templates include built-in spacing, so do not try to remove it. The goal is to make sure everything looks balanced and consistent from top to bottom. Entry-level resumes should always be one page. If the document is running long, shorten the summary, reduce the statements from 3 to 2, remove anything that is not relevant, or tighten the spacing by selecting the entire document and setting the line spacing to 1.0. Keep everything clean, simple, and easy to read. Before saving the final version, scroll from top to bottom and check for small issues. Look for spelling errors, extra spaces, misaligned text, inconsistent dates, repeated words, or sections that look too empty or too crowded. Fix anything that looks off. Now save your working file. Go to File, then Save As. Choose your folder and name your document using your name first, followed by Entry-Level Resume. For example, Taylor Morgan Entry-Level Resume. This is your editable version, and you will use this file anytime you need to update your resume. Next, export your resume as a PDF. Go to File, then Save As. Under the File Type menu, choose PDF. Use the same file name with your name first followed by Entry-Level Resume. Select Save. The PDF will open automatically if you have a PDF reader, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, installed. Review it to make sure everything looks correct. Check for spacing issues, text cutoff, font changes, or alignment problems, and confirm it is one page only. If anything looks wrong, return to Word, make your adjustments, and export the PDF again. When you are ready to apply for jobs, upload the PDF version. Keep the Word file for editing as you gain new experience. For entry-level roles, apply to retail, customer service, hospitality, warehouse, office assistant, call centers, food service, seasonal work, internships, and apprenticeships. Apply to a few jobs every day and update the resume regularly as your skills and experience grow. This completes the entry-level resume built step-by-step in Microsoft Word. To continue building a full resume library, explore the other tutorials in this series. Each tutorial guides you through another resume type, so you can create a complete set of professional documents for any job you apply to. I hope this helped you learn a new skill. Please keep exploring more Windows and Office tutorials.